Hi, Mark here from Club365. So welcome back. It's been a while since I did my last video, and the reason for it is because I normally do all my videos in the office, and obviously because we're now being forced at home, I'm now going to do a lot more in my home office. And what I've been doing is I've been busy setting up lighting, so I know nothing really about recording videos at all. So I've been on YouTube, I've learnt loads of stuff. I've got something called soft boxes there, so hopefully the lighting's nice on my face. That means I'm not having to wear a cap, because the only reason I wore a cap before is because all the lighting came off my big bold chromey dome here. So I won't have to wear a cap anymore. And then in addition to that, I've got the stand-up pull-up stands, that we had at the conference in Vegas to promote microjobs. So hopefully I've got the lighting and the reflection and the sounds all pretty good, and this is where I'll be doing my videos until lockdown's properly removed. Right, so anyway, that's a bit of an aside. The reason for this video is because obviously we're running GlobalCon2, and it's going to take place on June the 15th, June the 19th. I think it's certainly our biggest conference now, because we've gone over 15,000 registered, which is incredible, really. I'm really going for 20,000, so if you can help me promote that and get everybody there. We've got over half the sessions are now being delivered by Microsoft. We've got everything from Microsoft Teams, we've got SharePoint, Power Platform, we've got stuff for dev in there, we've got a whole day dedicated to Microsoft Azure beginning. So there's a lot of stuff going on there. But one of the things I wanted to tell you about today is tomorrow we're doing something really exciting. And tomorrow we're having another warm-up day for GlobalCon2. And the reason for this one is effectively that we get quite a few comments. So, for example, you could be in a session that's, beginning to intermediate, and people will say, look, I need some grounding in Power Automate, I need some grounding in Power Apps. And we can't keep doing beginner sessions in every single thing, because obviously we've only got 30 available slots. And so what we're planning to do, and we're going to kick this off tomorrow, is we're going to start doing beginners days ahead of the main event. And these are meant to be to get you, if you know nothing about a particular technology, you come to the beginners day and you get your grounding. And so when you go to the big event, you're going to understand what people are saying effectively and get much more out of it. And so tomorrow's event is it's going to be 4 sessions, well actually 5 if you count the AMA, and it's going to kick off at 3 PM UTC with Laura Rogers, and Laura's going to give you the introduction to Power Apps. And then she'll be followed by Matt Weston, who's going to teach you about Power Automate. And these are all introduction. Ben's going to follow on with an introduction to Microsoft Teams. And then we've got Laura Graham Brown, who's going to give the introduction to Power BI. So if you come to those 4 sessions and you know nothing about them, you are going to come away away from that thinking, yeah, man, I can do quite a lot of that stuff now. And I think I'll get more out of GlobalCon2. So I strongly encourage you to come along, because I've seen them already and you're going to get so much from them. And then finally, after all that's done, because it was a great success last time, we're going to do more of an AMA. And an AMA is an Ask Me Anything, and Ben's going to host that with, we haven't quite finalised who's going to be in it, but there's going to be about 3 other people in it. And you're going to be able to fire your questions over. And what I've done is I've asked Ben if he can give away a Ultimate Bundle, which is worth, I think, nearly $700. And the Ultimate Bundle gives you access to pretty much everything we've done before GlobalCon2. And it's effective. If you missed anything, you'll get all of the sessions and all of the ebooks. It's massive value for you. And so the best question, in Ben's opinion, it's obviously a subjective thing, but it's the best question in Ben's opinion, will get the Ultimate Bundle. So definitely come along and get yourself logged into chat, and we'll see you tomorrow. And also, I'm really, really grateful actually if you could share this video and help people spread the word, because it's obviously free of charge to attend. If you want to watch the sessions for this and also the GlobalCon2 main event, then you'll need an all-access pass. That's how we fund the event. It's not mandatory by any means, but it's really, really good value if you do go for it. If you do, thank you very much. But that's all from me, and thank you. Bye.